Microfiber. 3-piece duvet cover set includes 1 duvet cover and 2 matching shams. Comforter is not included. 8 duvet ties and a decorative button closure ensure your comforter stays securely in place while you sleep. Incredibly soft brushed microfiber is machine washable and wrinkle, stain, and fade resistant for easy maintenance. Simple and versatile design, this comforter is available in 5 different color options: charcoal, cream, navy, stone, and white. Change the feel of your bedroom in an instant by adding a Linenspa Microfiber Duvet cover. Available in 5 solid color options, this simple and versatile design can enhance your bedroom style without changing your entire decor. A 6-inch decorative flap has a button closure to add a pop of style and class while securing your duvet cover. But you don't have to rely on faith alone to keep this duvet cover in place. It comes fully equipped with 8 corner and side ties to keep your comforter right where you want it. Brushed microfiber is incredibly soft, durable, and wrinkle, stain, and fade resistant. Just toss it in the washer and dryer to keep your bedroom fresh, clean, and stylish always. Top reviews from the United States. Fabulous buy. Super easy to use and it washed very well. I bought the gray color and it had a touch of blue, green in it. Perfect for what I wanted. Love the color. Super soft. I will purchase another for the other room.